Hello everyone, welcome back to Power Teachers. Let's discuss arrays. Before that, I'll tell why arrays are come into the picture. So if suppose I want to store marks of different students, I want to declare different variables. That is in S1 equal to 80, int S2 equal to 85, int S3 equal to 83, int S4 equal to 86. So here what we're doing is declaring and initializing variables every time. So what if we need to store all these values in single variable? So we can do it by using arrays. So arrays are nothing but collection of elements of same data type storing in continuous location. This is the definition of array. Let me clearly explain using a picture. So array will be presented like this. These are the elements in an array which are same data types. These are integers and these are assigned to a single variable. Suppose for array, and in array we have indexes which starts from 0 and end of the and then it is length minus 1. That means here we are having 9 elements. So and end of the index is 9 minus 1. So what is indexing? This indexing 0 is points to the first element in an array, and first index points to the second element in an array, and second index points to the third element in an array. This is how it continues. And also, if you go further, let me quickly tell about continuous location. If 7 is stored in 1000th location and 11 will be stored in 1000 not 1 location, and 6 will be stored in 1000 not 2 location. That means continuously it will be stored. Okay, now let's go into the code. First I'll tell how to declare an array. It is very simple. We need to give data type first and then just assign the variable. This is how we need to declare the array variable, and then we need to assign the size to the variable. So marks equal to new int of 5. Here what exactly happening is at beginning we are just giving the name of an array, and then later for that variable we are assigning the size. We are assigning size of 5. Okay. So we can do this in a single line also, just like this. Okay, we have declared assign the size to the arrays also. Now quickly let me initialize values to the marks variable. Marks new int square brackets, and values are written in flower braces 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. So as we are here mentioning the size of an array is 5, here we are assigning 5 values. So now let me get index of first index element. So how to get first index of an element? System dot out dot println and marks of marks of 0. Here we need to put in a square brackets, and inside that we need to mention which index we are accessing. So here I want to access 0th index of an element. So I'll just here quickly mention first element. Now I'll run this code and you can observe the output of the statement. Yeah, here we got first element is 1. So here I'll just give the space. Again, compile this and run. Yeah, we got the first element is 1. So like this, we need to access the each index of an array. So let me tell how to get inputs from the user and how to print the complete array. So now I'll take another array, that is int array new int of size. Again I'll take 5. So before that I'll just create scanner object to get inputs from the user. Sorry, new scanner system dot in. So I have declared an initialized size of an array. Now I'll use for loop to get each and every element of size 5. Int I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. To understand this for loop, just please go watch the previous video. I have explained what is for loop. So, and inside the for loop, I am just wanting the each element. So, how to get this? It is very simple. Array of I equal to sc dot next int. It is like same how we are getting integer value from the user, and here we are just mentioning array of I, which is at first iteration array of I will be array of 0. That means the first element will be read from the user, and this iteration I will increase, and it will the second element which is index of 1 from the user, and likewise it continues until I reaches the n minus 1 value. So after getting names from the user, let me just print what are the elements. I'll give the message that is as system.out.println elements in array elements in array are again to print in the values in of an array we use for loop. In I equal to 0, I less than, there is one mistake. If you get, you'll get. Here we didn't have value of n. What exactly n means here? N is nothing but size of an array. And here we are directly taking size of an array as 5. Here we need to mention that is as 5. Okay. Now it will work fine. I less than 5 and I plus plus. I less than 5 and I plus plus. And here we need to use dot out dot println int. And inside that we need to use array of I. So let me just quickly run this code and get the output. Here we need to enter the values. So here I am just entering 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11. So as we are reading the values of 5 numbers, I am entering 5 values and just giving the enter. So we got elements in array are 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So for clear understanding, let me give the space and also pass the message to enter the values. Here just we need to give the space, and before that let me comment this line. And yeah, let me comment this line. On arrays, print of array of I and just space, and before that I'll give the message to enter the arrangements. Enter the array elements. Okay, now let me run this again. Yeah, here it is asking to enter the array elements. So I'll enter now elements as 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So we got the output as elements in array are 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, this is how we need to get input of an array from the user and print the array. For this video, we have explained how to declare an array, how to assign the values, and how to get inputs from the user and how to print the output of an array. So this is for video. This is for this video. Mm, In next video, I'll explain few sums on array. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe for further content.